Welcome to Immigration Service Delivery, ISD. In this video, we will share some of the terms that we use in Ireland when it comes to the immigration process, and we will explain how they might apply to you. Visa. If you're planning to come to Ireland to visit or to live, you may need a visa. A visa is a sticker that is placed in your passport. It allows you to travel to Ireland during specific dates. Citizens of the European Union do not need a visa to enter Ireland. You can find out here at www.irishimmigration.ie whether you need a visa or not, and how to apply for one if it is required. If you have a valid Irish residence permit card, you do not need a visa as well. Permission to stay beyond your visa. If you have come to Ireland from outside of the European Union, the UK, Norway and Switzerland, and you wish to stay in Ireland for more than 90 days, you must apply to the correct Immigration Service Delivery Unit for an immigration permit. You will need this permission to stay, to work, to study, live, or join family in Ireland. Registration. Once you have status which allows you to stay in Ireland, you must register it with the Irish immigration authorities. Registration is how we record that you have been given permission to stay in Ireland. When you register the change in your status, we will place a stamp in your passport and take your photograph and fingerprints. We will send you an Irish residence permit, often called an IRP card. Everyone who is aged 16 and over is required to register with the Irish immigration authorities. Stamp. Each type of permit to remain is linked to a stamp that has a number. For example, stamp 1, stamp 2, stamp 3, and so on. The number shows the type of permission you have and what it allows you to do while living in Ireland. We put a stamp in your passport at registration when we record your permission to remain for the first time, but not when you renew the permit. IRP card. An Irish residence permit is a small wallet-sized card that shows your photograph and your personal details and the type of permit or stamp you have. Also, it outlines how long you can stay in Ireland. An IRP card is not an identity card, but it is an important document that proves you have permission from the state to remain in Ireland. You must always carry it with you and show it to the authorities if asked. Re-entry visa. A re-entry visa is a sticker which is placed in your passport, and it allows you to leave Ireland for a short period and then return. Some people may need one to return to Ireland after travelling abroad, for instance, if their IRP card is no longer valid. If you have a valid IRP card, you do not need a separate re-entry visa to leave and come back to Ireland. Children under 16 will need a re-entry visa if travelling abroad with parents. Registration renewal. Visas, permits, and IRP cards are all valid for set periods of time. Depending on your circumstances, you may be able to renew them and extend the length of your stay in Ireland. Please watch our videos about immigration in Ireland here. You can find all the information you need at www.irishimmigration.ie. If you have any questions, you should email immigrationsupport@justice.ie. Thank you so much for watching.